Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you my mini fridge. This is the mini fridge. It was only like $13, so I'm gonna show you what it is. So it has like this water thingy. I'm taking off the doors. Here's the inside of the fridge. There's like orange juice, milk, bread, more milk, bread, mustard, milk, blah 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 blah, all that stuff. And then on the side of it, there's like, I put an egg right here, and then these are 2 milks right here, and then another egg here. Let me put the doors back on.
Love the chocolate peanut butter no bakes that are like oatmeal.
Now this door.
Almond sugar. Yes, the crescent ones, those were perfect. What else did you make? 4 bars?
Okay, so that was the top half. Now we're gonna do the bottom half. All the desserts, yummy. Oh my god. All the good stuff. All the yumminess. All the yumminess. Yep, just all the yumminess in this. So first we have like container of ice cream, container of ice cream, container of ice creams, container of ice cream, container of ice cream. So we have all these containers of ice cream. I want to make sure you can see all these containers of ice creams. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 containers of ice cream. Now, so you know those little like ice cream things that are like wrapped up and that have the cone and then the ice cream on the top? I have some. The 2 of them are wrapped. One of them is unwrapped. So this is wrapped. It's a strawberry chocolate cone little thing. A chocolate cone thing. And then this one's open. It was like banana, as you can see. That's like the ice cream and stuff. And then, so 3 of those. And then we have 3 more things. So first we have this thing. So I'll open it for you guys.
Yeah, he cooks like everything.
I do most
Because he's always like, I can just leave it.
you leave it and then it's
Nom, 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 nom.
about an hour.
Good.
What it is window.
Let me put that back inside. Okay. And then there's like this and this. So 3 of those. So here's how I first.
And we have one downstairs.
Okay, so first I put this in like this. These like that. I'll just show you afterwards, and then I'll put these.
I'm making that black bean when I think about
There. See, just like that, and then it fits right in the fridge. Now, these are for the people who watch till the end. So I'm a small. So if you watch to the end, thank you for your time watching this. Here's this little sticker for you. It says great on it. Here you go. Okay. And then if I go to and you also get a Labubu. No, this is not a Labubu. You can double check. Face, 9 teeth. No footprint thingy.
You can go sit in with the bros, or you can
Just look how cute it is. Now, thanks for watching. Bye.
They're solving more problems.
Bye bye.